What is up, guys? I have another daily upload for you. I think this is 4 days in a row if you've been counting. Maybe you can give me some words of encouragement to keep the daily uploads coming, or at least let me know what you think. But today's video is on my exhaust manifold. Now, this is the exhaust manifold. It's a beast. It's amazing work, and I believe it's made by Elite Fabrication. If someone can confirm or deny who it's made by, it has no like tag on it or anything, but I bought this from a guy on Facebook who's a local Mazda enthusiast. He just ended up parting his Mazdaspeed 3 out. Never used this bad boy. But the reason why I chose this one is because if you look at it, it's top mount. So turbo sits right here, of course. Super easy to access this V-band right here. It's gonna like seal really well. I don't need a gasket right here, which is awesome. No gasket required, and it just sits really nice and flush right there. Super easy to work on. It makes everything else so much nicer in the engine bay. It's honestly one of my favorite modifications. Now this one, the reason why I bought it over the one I have on my Mazdaspeed 6 now, because you guys remember I have a top mount manifold just like this one, almost the exact same. This one, the port is on the other side. So you'd actually normally be looking at it like this. The port is on my right side or your guys' left side. On my other one, the port actually came off here for the external wastegate. I mean, this is for the external wastegate. So it sits right up there, of course. But on mine, the external wastegate comes off and it's actually right here, and it is just a really bad location for it. Well, not bad, but it makes it hard for the way I want to run the intercooler piping, because I have a custom set of intercooler pipes that I really like to run. But yeah, this is the exhaust manifold made by Elite Fabrication. I guess that's what he told me. But as you can see right here, this edge is actually kind of small, especially for my head that I've been porting. So I'm going to port the exhaust manifold and kind of make it just a little bit bigger right here. Just round it out a tiny bit so that it matches exactly to my head. Hopefully that'll get the best flow. If you guys have any recommendations, or if you have ported a head before, you could drop me a comment down below. But I'm going to be porting my head all day today and all day tomorrow, and hopefully that'll be your next video. So I'll be able to show you guys how I'm gonna match this to the head. But honestly, it's gonna take a while to port that head because it's just so much material that I've been taking out. I already have 2 of the cylinders completely done. But yeah, I'll show you guys that video tomorrow. I hope you guys like today's short video of this beautiful exhaust manifold. But don't worry, guys, I'll keep the uploads coming. Catch you guys tomorrow.